Alright, traders, a very good morning. My local time now is 11:20 a.m. in the morning, so New York time is 11:20 p.m. Night time, and as for Chicago time, it's 9:20. Frankfurt is early in the morning. Tokyo is at noon time. So we have one buy call for the indexes, Russell 2000 micro account. So at this moment, we are going to buy long of the position at so let's take a look at 961.5 second. So let's take a look. Okay, 961.6 is the one I enter the market. So this moment we are about $13 or $15 in profit. So we just use one contract size only. So based from the margin, because the margin already increased to the maintenance margin because of the volatility of the market and the current condition of the world. And the others is very expensive, so I try not to get involved. So I try to give up with the lowest one, although I can go for a normal mini account, which is too expensive at this moment, $10,600. So let's back to the chart. So we are expecting for a price to reach the higher side of this 981.3, and so the target is I already queue my TP at this yellow line. You can see this 980 about that. So we are about $20 in profit at this moment. So overall today is 135. So I have made a short this morning. It was a good one, around $40. So it was a quick one, a few minutes scalping, about 8 points, should be around 40 ticks. So now waiting for the pullback of the market. Hopefully everything will be fine. So let's hope everything will be fine. Maybe I will exit early, not sure. Let's wait, but the target is to go to this area at least 10 points, which is around 40 ticks. Okay, looks good. 40 ticks should be around 10 points, should be around $50. So I think that's good enough for one lot, because we invest a bit. So a good return of 10% or 9% on each trade, based from the ROI, which is how many we invest, capital we require, and the return it produces itself. So as for now, everything's look good. The market looks good. So I go to Russell 2000, which is the market is more stable compared to the S&P, and also this Nasdaq 100, which is move in the major direction. Short. There's a short signal earlier. You can see over here. There's a short signal. It was a valid signal compared to the S&P, which is no signal but a reversal signal to the bearish movement. As for this Russell also don't have this signal, unfortunately, but also have this reverse signal to the bearish movement. I did take it, but I was scalping a bit only because I didn't hold that long. Okay, if I hold that long, which is should be around a few hundreds of dollar with one micro account, so that's a lot actually. So for this trade, just focus on the number of points or ticks I have managed to secure, because this is micro account. Maybe the profit is not much, it's not really impressive, but the points and the number of ticks is very absolutely crazily impressive. Right now we enter at 61. The highest just now is 67, which is around 6 points. So 6 points consists of 60 ticks, sorry, because Russell is 0.1 equal to 50 cents if not contract specification. So should be this one tick is 0.1. So for this Russell, the highest just now is 67. So 6 points by 10 is 600 points. Okay, so this was a good investment, or a good trade actually, for Russell 2000 index. And as for now, still waiting on the higher side. So I will pause this video and resume later on once the price remain on the higher side. Alright, resume back again. So at this moment I can see there's a minor pullback been seen at this moment. So we have our stop loss is somewhere here, which is at this purple line, and the target is still remain the same. So we are holding minus $10 in losses. Should be fine. It's not much. We're still waiting. So the market might go for the high later on as a pullback. So this is what we are trying to get into the market. Bit with the VWAP line is far above this TP area. So there's more likely the market will remain on the higher side later on within 1 or 2 hours time. So I will pause this video and resume back once there's a big move on the market, so I can record it live to you guys. Alright traders, seems like the market moved back to the positive side. So we are plus 7, plus 8 dollar, plus 4. Yeah, quite interesting. No, break even. Still red on the candle, but it's okay. They don't possess any threat for us. Okay. So this will move very fast later on. This is typical Russell market, Russell 2000. So can easily goes up to $20, which is I use only one contract size, and required actually for day trade actually it's supposed to be $25. It's very cheap. Seems like you invest 25 and you earn around 100. It's a good return, 400%. That's more or less why I like this Russell 2000 contract size. Okay, so yeah, 64. Our entry is 61. The lowest is here. So there's a confirmation on the bullish at this moment. Maybe try to hit this first resistance or the nearest high, which is at 968.8. Our TP will be around that price level. Hopefully everything will go accordingly. Okay. It's gonna take some time. I will pause first and hope this video will not get too long. Alright, so far looks good. There's a pullback what we expected, and we have reached the highest at this just now is 10 ticks, around $50 in profit. So let's take a look. Alright, we have a good bearish signal later on, so I think I will escape my position. I think this one should be enough. $49 haha, should be enough. Okay, should be enough. $49 in profit, and the ticks amount is around I think I exit at 17.1. It should be around 9.5 9.5 points. Should be around ticks is 90 ticks, 91 or 92 ticks. Okay, it was a good one, a quick one as well. So during my lockdown in my country, so I did earn around $50, about that, 49 to be precise. It was a good day trading. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment below. Bye bye.